If you're watching this, you're probably facing a frustrating issue. Your Dell laptop won't turn on. Don't worry though, today we're going to walk you through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to help you get your Dell laptop back up and running. First things first, let's check the basics, the power supply. Sometimes a laptop won't turn on simply because it's not receiving any power. Make sure the charger is plugged in properly both to the laptop and the wall outlet. A loose or unplugged power cable can be an easy fix. Try using a different wall outlet or even a different charger if you have one available. If the charging light on the laptop isn't coming on, there could be an issue with the charger, the charging port, or the laptop's battery. If the power is connected but the laptop still won't turn on, the next step is to perform a hard reset. This can help clear any temporary issues that might be preventing your laptop from booting. Here's how to do it. First, unplug the charger and remove the battery if possible. Then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to drain any residual power from the laptop. Once that's done, plug the charger back in and try powering it up again. A hard reset can often solve minor issues. If the laptop still isn't turning on, it's time to check the battery itself. If your battery is removable, take it out and inspect it for any visible signs of damage or swelling. And those are some methods if your Dell won't turn on. Now the last step is to seek professional help. Your Dell laptop may have a more serious hardware issue, so like a motherboard or damaged storage device. In that case, it's time to contact Dell support or visit a professional technician. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.